Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss how you can earn Bitcoin without making any investment in 2022. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away. Saying that Bitcoin is the currency of the future would be a lie. Bitcoin is already the currency of the present, and claiming that there are ways to get free Bitcoins essentially means that there are ways to get free money. Is that true? Yes, it is. And here's how. Having more money is always good, right? Well, if you are still among those people who do not think that cryptocurrencies equal to regular, fiat currency, here are some interesting facts. Not only is Bitcoin an acceptable form of payment in an increasing number of companies, both related to information technologies and those that are not, but it is starting to become a legal tender on a global scale. So yes, Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency industry are starting to gain traction, and there is no coming back from this point. Getting Bitcoins means getting money. Getting free Bitcoins means getting free money. But how? Most people have heard already about crypto mining, but crypto mining can hardly be called getting free money. It requires large investment in order to be profitable, and that threshold is just too high for most people. These ways have nothing to do with mining Bitcoin. In fact, there are many sites all over the internet that allow you to earn free Bitcoins by performing certain tasks that range from simple ones like watching ads to a tad bit more complex ones such as buying, trading, and selling crypto. Ultimately, it is up to you to decide which tasks are more suitable to your time, interest, and skill set. Who knows how much those Bitcoins that you get for free will be worth in the future? You might wake up one day with several times more value than you started to begin with. But let's cut to the chase. You're here for the guide on how to get Bitcoins after all, so you probably do not need much convincing. Without further ado, here's how to get free Bitcoins in 2022. Use a crypto mining browser. Earning Bitcoin by surfing the web sounds pretty unbelievable. However, that is exactly how you can get Bitcoin if you start using Crypto Tab browser. In fact, this browser has a built-in crypto miner that is unintrusive yet still capable of mining a significant amount of coins. You do not even have to do the mining yourself, as it is possible to create a network of affiliates with referral levels. Every friend that you invite is part of the first level of your network. Every friend invited by the members of the first level of your network forms the second level, and etc. You can find a precise formula on their website, so go check it out if this sounds attractive to you. Tapping into a Bitcoin faucet. What if we told you that there are faucets that drip free Bitcoin every couple of minutes to the people who follow them? This method of getting free Bitcoins focuses on websites dispatching fractions of Bitcoins every couple of seconds or minutes as a reward for observing the site, solving CAPTCHAs, or a range of other menial activities, mostly in the promotional or marketing service. These websites promote users to stick with the page for a long time, usually granting cumulative stacking bonuses on the amount of crypto gifted, and the sites receive more ad revenue, better engagement, and a plethora of other benefits related to more online exposure. These drops are relatively small and insignificant, but they do add up and become relevant when collected once per month. An example of a Bitcoin faucet is Bitcoinker, play online or mobile games. Similar to Bitcoin faucets, there are websites which developed this approach even further by providing certain interactive content to incentivize sticking around for a while and watching ads or other promotional content. These games ultimately offer Bitcoin as a prize, so the process of playing and participating in boosting the ad revenue of the company results in a net gain for users. You have fun playing, both you and the company earn money, and people who advertise their content get more exposure. Gaming sure can evolve to become a great source of reach for promotional services and advertisers. An example? Bitcoin casinos. Trading. Whether you consider trading to be a free way of getting crypto coins or not, cryptocurrency trading still has amazing potential of earning you Bitcoin or any other crypto coin out there with minimum effort, especially if you use the help of a crypto trading bot. The premise is simple. You buy an asset for a certain price and sell it for a bigger sum. However, the devil is in the details, as the markets tend to be dynamic to the point of being chaotic. There are various methods of trading that profit on the current trends, as well as various software that helps reduce the investment of time from the day traders by streamlining and automating the trading process. A whole industry is dedicated to crypto trading only, but getting started is relatively easy, and there are lots of guides, tutorials, and communities that are eager to help. We have already mentioned Coinbase as a well-established cryptocurrency exchange, and some of the most reputable bots include Pionex, CryptoHopper, and Bitsgap. Shopping rewards. You can also get free Bitcoins just by doing regular online shopping, so long as you use certain shopping reward companies. In order to use them, you need to download and activate a browser extension. During your shopping, When you discover and check out certain products, you will get cash back on your purchases as a fractional amount of Bitcoin. For example, Loli is a service that gives out Bitcoins when you shop at some of over 1,000 reputable and high-ranking stores. The process is very easy. Get the extension, shop the web, the extension notifies you when you find yourself at their partner's shop, and you get a small portion of cash back in the form of Bitcoin. Lending cryptocurrency. Finding ourselves on the verge of the definition of free again, you can also lend your crypto to others in order to accumulate more crypto wealth, essentially effortlessly. This method is quite popular, both in the crypto community and outside of it, and pretty safe if you stick with the tried and true platforms. These platforms connect lenders with an excess of cryptocurrency with borrowers who are in need of cryptocurrency. Lenders earn interest on the sum, of course, and everything gets guaranteed in the principal guaranteed platforms such as Binance Earn. Do task online for Bitcoin payment. Of course, you can always do simple tasks around the web and earn Bitcoin in the process. These specific tasks do not include mining, but something mundane such as testing out a website or an app, taking some surveys, sharing or retweeting posts, participating in optimization and analysis of a site, or pretty much any other small but essential thing that you can imagine. Even providing a correct answer to a question can yield rewards in Bitcoin. There are a lot of places that serve as platforms for sharing and applying for such tasks, some of which include Bitcoin Get and Bit for Tip. Affiliate programs are widespread in the cryptocurrency industry. At nearly every company, you can refer a friend to a service and reap some nice bonuses in the process. Both you and your friend will get discounts, reward points, or flat-out payments in Bitcoin just for, well, spreading the news and enlarging the community of the company. One example of such referral programs is the Binance Bitcoin Referral Program. They give out free Bitcoin throughout the lifespan of your friend's relationship with the company, as referring to a friend can earn you 20% whenever they make a transaction. This friend is also eligible for a discount of 20% on transaction fees, so everything gets fair and square for all parties. All Binance's payouts are handed out in Bitcoin or other types of crypto coin. Just use Binance P2P to withdraw the funds to your account. Bitcoin mining. It would be unfair not to mention the probably most famous free method of getting Bitcoin. Bitcoin mining, although not necessarily free, still is the most widespread method of farming this cryptocurrency. In theory, getting started requires nothing more than a regular desktop computer and Bitcoin mining software. In practice, people with more dedicated equipment and whole farms of mining units will most likely succeed before you and get the mining reward instead. An alternative way is to join a mining pool and get a fair portion upon completing the mining block. Once you pay the power costs and maintenance though, you may end up being net negative, so pay attention to that. Participate in airdrops. Airdrops are the most recent trend in marketing that involves shipping tokens and crypto coins to wallet addresses. This is done in order to promote and raise awareness, usually of a new or emerging digital currency. As you tend to end up on the receiving end of this process, earning cryptocurrency via airdrops is perhaps the easiest and fastest way to get free Bitcoin. Once the free tokens get airdropped, you can sell them as soon as the token is listed, although it is recommended to wait for them to get more value. Stellar Lumens and Ontology are some of the projects that have been airdropped, and those who participated in these airdrops ended up earning a hefty sum of dollars if they sold at the right moment. So, we've ended up with quite a number of ways to get free Bitcoins. The sums given in single instances perhaps do not account too much, but as these gratis coins start trickling in, you'd be surprised how quickly these parcels turn into a significant sum. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.